This is where the Venu 3 earns its keep. It utilizes the Elevate Gen 5 heart rate sensor, which features additional green and orange LEDs to improve accuracy across different skin tones and during high-intensity movement. The microstory, the interval test. I took the Venu 3 to a local track for 400-meter sprints. Typically, optical sensors lag by 10 to 15 seconds during rapid heart rate spikes. I wore a chest strap as a control. The Venu 3 stayed within 2 to 3 beats per minute of the chest strap throughout the entire session. When I hit my final sprint and my heart rate climbed to 182 BPM, the Venu 3 mirrored the drop-off almost instantly as I started my cooldown walk. It didn't flatline or hunt for the pulse. That is elite-level sensor performance in a lifestyle watch. The daily utility. The sleep coach and nap detection are the standout features. Unlike the Apple Watch, which essentially just tells you when you slept, the Venu 3 tells you how much sleep you need based on your body battery and recent activity.